Okay, self-insuring and a policy. What makes most sense for you? Long-term care can be as basic as a family member taking care of you or you being taken care of by a spouse. It can be you're at a living facility. It could be a nurse is taking care of you. It all falls under that umbrella of long-term care. There's, of course, unpaid long-term care, which is family and friends who will either help you with bathing, which I know sounds really odd to discuss. It can help with using the restroom. It can help you with all of these things. And that's, as I said, unpaid, oftentimes family or a friend. There's also a paid homemaker service where they're actually helping you with household tasks, and going to www.genworth.com can give you a good sense of what you can expect in your area if you were to go through a process to see if that makes most sense for you. There's adult day healthcare, which many people don't consider, which is when essentially you still live at home, but you go to a facility during the day, either for stimulation purposes, either to get fed, or you just want, hey, I want an easier lifestyle and that's more attractive to me. So it's not as if, okay, am I all completely at home or do I have to commit to this facility? No, there's often a middle ground that people don't think about. There is indeed an assisted living facility where you are not at home and you are getting care by being at this facility. And lastly, there are skilled nursing facilities where you go to a facility, but it's not just your assisted living. It's when you're looking for individualized treatment based off of your health needs. Now, these are generally most expensive, and for transparency of what you understand what that looks like, I'm here in Malibu, California. If you wanted to come here, well, the reality is you're going to be spending between $14,000 to $18,000 a month, and the average stay is about 5 months. Yes, I have a few clients who have shared that with me, and it's not cheap, but what you want to understand is, okay, do you need that type of coverage, or can you find cheaper coverage that still gives you what you need? And I don't love the word what you need, but really allows you to say, yes, I would be comfortable. I now want to go through a few notable statistics as you're thinking about long-term care. Someone turning 65 today has a 70% chance of needing long-term care of some sort in the future. On average, women need long-term care for 3.7 years and men need long-term care support for 2.2 years. In 2017, a study was done showing the average lifetime need financially for long-term care was $172,000. So on average, that's what people want to make sure they have set aside either by self-insuring or having a policy that covers that. A few things to consider here. Could selling your home be your long-term care policy? More often than not, it plays a more significant role than you may think. Having that extra protection, even if you never need it, knowing that your home could be that asset could be wonderful. Peace of mind is underrated. Making sure that you have different pieces can add tremendous peace of mind, which really adds to your quality of life.